Hello, my name is Indu Verma and I am living in Milton for last 20 years. I am running for town councillor position for Ward 4 in this upcoming municipal elections. I have a degree in Ayurveda, which is a traditional system of medicine in India. It means knowledge of life. My journey of community service started with working for a non-profit hospital. It was to help people in stressful situations. I have been a settlement specialist for a non-profit organization for last 15 years, and I have extensive experience working with families, especially in Ward 4. Listening to their concerns and helping them connect to various resources. This October 24th on election day or during advance voting from October 10th to October 16th, exercise your democratic right to vote. Elect me, Indu Verma, as your town councillor for Ward 4. I always have and I always will put community first.